taste in your mouth. Wishing you were sleeping, you don't want to leave the house. Dripping from your dreaming of a habit you renounced. Get out of bed, please go away. Get out, get out, get out. You see a liar in the mirror, he's sneering in that way that makes you feel unsafe, insane, and you hate to see his face. You punch the mirror to shut him up, but he won't go away. He just multiplies, intensifies, he's 20 tiny blades. Is it getting better? It's really getting worse. I'll give 1,000 apologies for 1,000 hurts. The forest is on fire, but we're gonna let it burn. We're controlling it, we've got it handled. Thanks for your concern.